Hello everyone, and I hope that you have a blessed Sunday. I hope that you are well. Let me know in the comment section below how you are spending the weekend. Tomorrow, Monday, the stock market is closed. For some, that might be a good thing. For others, not. If you are in the two stocks that I will talk about in this video, you probably won't like that Monday is closed because you have anticipation to see them go higher. Right? These are two companies, two stocks that I think have massive potential ahead of them. I've already talked about one very early many times, and we're just going to cover up some. We're going to cover some updates in this video, and then the other one has a lot of potential and possible catalysts that are going to make this go really high, maybe this year, maybe next year, and when people look back, they're going to think, "Wow, I remember when this used to trade at $3." Okay, first let's cover some updates on ticker symbol LUNR and why starting Tuesday, LUNR, in my opinion, will go higher. There have been some updates coming out of Intuitive Machines. You can check it out on their website. In fact, I'll show you right now. And these updates came out during the weekend, and it's very positive, very great. When we have a mission going from Earth to the moon, it's obviously never so simple. Okay, I'm not an expert, but there are phases throughout the trip towards the moon, and one of the phases was actually engine commissioning, as they call it. This was very critical. If they had failed to do that already right now on Sunday, we would be talking about LUNR stock crashing for sure on Tuesday. But that's not going to happen because engine commissioning was successful. The updates, as you can see here, this is from Intuitive Machines website. Everything was fine. Then the next update, which was on Saturday, yesterday, was the IM-1 mission updates. Intuitive Machines transmits the first IM-1 mission images in space. Let me show you some of those images. This is one image, right? And I think it's a very gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful image showing the spacecraft. You have the background, the Earth, space. I mean, it just makes you think a lot about what this world is like, what's outside of this world, and which is pretty much endless. Space has no end. The more you think about it, the more you might start branching off into a bunch of other thoughts. So that's it, really. I mean, the fact that the engine commissioning was successful, the fact that we are now getting images, back, all these updates from Intuitive Machine during the weekend, I think, are amazing. Investors were looking for that. I did talk about LUNR when it was at 253, as you can see here. I talked about LUNR when it was at 305. I talked about LUNR when it was at 435. These are all YouTube videos that I did. And now the stock is at $7.56 as it closed, as you can see here in the after hours. So from 257.56, that's a huge gain. Which now leads me, guys, to the stock I want to talk about in this video. Follow the money, they say. NVIDIA. Let's talk about NVIDIA real quick, which is not the stock I want to talk about. The stock I want to mention to you is actually a $3 stock, but let's focus on NVIDIA. NVIDIA is by far one of the most powerful companies in its sector, and it's a company that's filthy rich, all right? So they're making a lot of money and they're filthy rich. When NVIDIA makes strategic investments somewhere, obviously we all care. We all want to know why, what happened, what's going on. If NVIDIA is investing here, maybe they know something, right? And it drives a lot of investor interest. Now, I showed you this before in the previous video that I did. One of the Discord members in my Discord back on January 29, 2024 talked about SOUN and, said, hey guys, this is overlooked. I think it's going to be a good AI play. And the stock was at about $1.72 at the time. Right now it's at $3.81. Let me add something else now that I talked about the Discord. I think, in my personal opinion, right? And I'm not saying this because I have my Discord. You can go to any Discord you want. You can go wherever you want. But I think that trading communities, if they are healthy trading communities with great traders, with great mindsets, no pump stocks, no pump day trade stupidities, right? If you have a healthy, nice, functioning trading community, to be part of it, I think is very valuable. It's extremely valuable. That's just my opinion. And this is a stock that I want to focus on, guys, in this video. And I'm going to explain to you why. SoundHound AI Incorporation develops independent voice artificial intelligence platform that enables businesses across industries to deliver high quality conversational experiences to their customers. And we had the news about 2 days ago, NVIDIA invests in smaller AI firms, and one of them was SoundHound AI Incorporation. So this actually could become, guys, something much bigger. And the reason I say that is because NVIDIA, the news actually that came out 2 days ago or 3 days ago that said that NVIDIA has invested in SoundHound AI. For many retail investors, they believe that this is NVIDIA's first investment into the company. NVIDIA has invested in SoundHound a couple years ago. They did, right? So this is actually the second time NVIDIA is investing in SoundHound. For them to do it again, for them to invest in SoundHound again, means that NVIDIA knows something that is very serious. They believe that SoundHound is going somewhere big. The CEO of NVIDIA is one of the smartest people out there in his field. Definitely. He is definitely aware of the investment in SoundHound, right? He gave the okay for that. So NVIDIA's first investment in SoundHound was in 2017 when it participated in a $75 million funding round to help it grow internationally. Since then, it acquired roughly 1.73 million shares worth $3.67 million. The investment in SoundHound by NVIDIA is not going to be their last one. I believe there's going to be more investment in SoundHound, and I believe SoundHound as a stock could possibly go to 10 or 15 US dollars in 2025. Just my personal opinion. Don't run off and trade just because I said that. This is just my personal opinion, right? I'm expressing myself as a trader, and that's what I believe, right? That's just what I believe. Let me know in the comment section, guys. All right, let me know if you think the SoundHound can hit 10 US dollars to be conservative in 2025. So SoundHound's Pillar 1 performance includes autos, television, devices connected on the internet, including partnerships with Stellantis in Europe. They also offer AI voice customer solutions. Krispy Kreme, you know that donut store, they have SoundHound's technology. The AI chatbot market, guys, it is a huge market. They're going to take advantage of this AI chatbot technology. They will, for sure. It's, you know, it might be a good thing, it might be a bad thing. You know, everybody's going to view it in a different way. Sure, people are going to be laid off, and I don't think that's a good thing. But hey, you can't control this stuff. That's not the point of this video. I think that SoundHound, their technology in that is very valuable to NVIDIA. The market for this is going to be obviously very huge. Analyst ratings on SoundHound is anywhere from 3 to 5 US dollars within the next 12 months, or let's just say within 2024. NVIDIA is coming up with earnings. People believe that if NVIDIA's earnings are going to be great, if they are going to be great, they're going to drag SoundHound AI stock upwards also, right? Those are called sympathy plays. Just like if NVIDIA does really good with earnings, then some other semiconductor stocks will go up that day slightly just because NVIDIA did well. Especially if NVIDIA forecasts, you know, their forward guidance is really good, right? But to be honest, I don't pay attention to those sort of plays. When you have NVIDIA, when you have SoftBank, when you have BlackRock invested in this small cap, I think it's an opportunity that I just can't pass. You know, it's something that I'm going to take a shot at and hold it for the long term, right? The video was about LUNR stock. It was about the updates that Intuitive Machines released over the weekend. Engine commissioning successful. Images, the first images coming back successfully. The spacecraft being healthy and on its way to the moon as expected, as programmed and ever. So with these updates, LUNR stock, in my opinion, I believe on Tuesday will open up higher, which is awesome. I'm super excited about that. And the other point of this whole video was about SoundHound AI, a stock that is a small cap company that is trading at $3 and something. It has a lot of massive potential, and the fact that NVIDIA is not their first time investing in it, I believe that they're going to invest even more. Again, there's going to be more news about the NVIDIA SoundHound connection, and I believe the SoundHound stock is an opportunity for speculative opportunity, but I think it's a good speculative opportunity, personally speaking for me, for a long-term hold. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope that you have a great Sunday. Let me know in the comment section below any stock that you think is great, and take care.